Is NLE Choppa cutting off his dreadlocks? NLE Choppa posted on Instagram this photo right here with this caption. "Sorry, it was nice knowing you though. Bye now. Purpose served." And in this image, his dreadlocks are highlighted. Not only that, but on his Twitter, he pinned a tweet with throwing a peace sign. And even on his recent story, he does have a ski mask on, and it does appear that he doesn't have any locks under there. And on this post, people were commenting a lot of things that are hinting towards him actually cutting off his dreadlocks. People are saying don't cut them off. Someone said if you cut your dreads, let me have them. Someone even said that he has to because he's thinning. Someone also said that these are extensions. Someone even made the comment, I think he's going to cut his hair. Don't think so. But this is the comment that really makes it seem like he cut his dreadlocks. He said he was on live to restart his dreads. So supposedly NLE Choppa was on a live stream saying that he's going to cut his dreadlocks and restart. And it's like, his dreadlocks already look so good. Why would he cut them off? People said that his dreadlocks were thinning, and at one point, yeah, they might have been a little unhealthy because of his scalp and him maintaining his hair too tightly. But even looking at his last post, which is his only post on Instagram, his locks look overall really healthy. Of course, they are skinny, but they're not too thin. And I feel like he did a good stress and release when it comes to maintenance. And stress and release means that you maintain it really nice at a lower frequency, meaning that you maintain it once a month versus like once every 2 weeks. But it is really hard telling. I'm not sure what this post means, and it can go so many different directions. And even with the tweet that he put out, it's kind of hard telling. He can really go in any direction. There's people saying that he's talking about the year 2022. There's also people saying that he's talking about his dreadlocks, obviously, and there's also people thinking that he's talking about his life. And NLE Choppa overall, I feel like, is a very positive person. Obviously, that doesn't really say much about people's life inside their head and their actual thoughts, but I don't think this is regarding his life, so everyone can take a breather. And it could realistically be that he was talking about his dreadlocks and he could have possibly already cut them. Like I said, based on looking at this, it doesn't look like he has dreadlocks, and that's obviously just at the first glance. You can see that he possibly has barrel twists in, and it looks like he has one down the middle and two down the sides. So yeah, even when it comes to those dreadlocks, I don't think he did cut off his dreadlocks, or if he even plans on doing it. I think this was just a publicity stunt to see what people's responses were going to be. Any post like this is going to gain some traction as far as people commenting. But his dreadlocks right here look extremely clean. What do you guys think about his locks? And also, do you think he's going to actually cut them off? And if he does cut them off, do you think he's going to restart? I do want to hear all of your thoughts, so please comment down below. And in the next video, we're taking a look at CJ So Cool, so stay tuned for that video. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Are you tired of using mediocre dreadlock products that leave your hair feeling dry and lifeless? Try Greatlocs.com dreadlock products, specially formulated to nourish and maintain your locks, leaving them looking and feeling healthy and strong. From shampoo and oil to locking gel and crochet hooks, Greatlocs.com has everything you need to take care of your dreadlocks. Give your dreadlocks the care they deserve. Try Greatlocs.com dreadlock products today.